Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called School Management System. So the education is the most important thing in everyone's life. Every student and their parents searching for the best academics and student managements. Best teachers to teach and good interactions between faculty and students was the most important. That was we are created in this website. But in this website, we have three major modules. Those are administrator, student, and teacher. Coming to the flowchart of the website. So this is the flow diagram of the website. Here, the admin will log in into the website with the login credentials like email address, password, etc. After login into the website, the admin can add the teachers and view the teachers to this website. And after adding the teachers, admin will add the sections and view the sections. After adding the sections, the admin can add the courses to that particular section and view the courses in the same page. So after adding all these informations to the website, the teacher will log in into the website with the login credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, teacher can view the sections which are added by the admin. So teacher can view the sections. After viewing the sections, the students will get registered into the website with email address, name, password, phone number, ID number of the student. By using these all data, the students will get registered into the website. After registration, they'll get login into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the students can view the courses which are added by the admin, and they enroll their courses by clicking the enroll button. They'll enroll the courses. After enrollment, if they want to cancel the enrollments, they'll drop the enrollments by clicking the drop button. So if they after enrolling the courses, the students can view the enrollments in the view enrollments page in the teacher homepage. So after viewing the enrollments, the teachers will add the resources and assignment to that particular enrollment. So after adding the assignment, the students can view the resources which are added by the teacher, and they can also view the assignments which are added by the teacher. After viewing the assignments, the students will answer to that assignment and they'll submit the assignment to the particular teacher. After submitting the assignments, the teacher can view the submitted assignment and give the marks to the students, which who are sent the assignment. The teacher will give the marks to that person. After giving the marks, the teacher can give the grades also. By calculating the marks, according to the marks, they'll give the grades to that student and give the feedback like good, excellent, or average, need to improve. Like this, the teacher will give the feedback to the particular student. After teacher giving the feedback, the student can give the feedback to the courses and also teacher. After giving the feedback, the student can also check their feedback which are added, which are given by the teachers. So they'll check the feedbacks and log out from the website. So this is the website flowchart. And coming to the output, we'll see the output here. I'm logging into the website as admin. So I'm adding the admin username here, admin, and password, login. This is the homepage for admin. After entering into the website, the admin can add the teachers to the website. So by clicking this add new future button, admin will add the teachers. So I'm adding the teacher here. Name, phone number, email address, password, salary, designation. So add. By clicking the add button, the teacher will be added to the website. So after adding the teacher, the admin can view the teachers in the same page, in the teacher page. By clicking the teacher button, the admin can view the teachers in this page. So if they want to add, they'll click on the add new teacher button and they'll add the teachers again. So course. By clicking the course button, the admin will add the courses to the website by clicking this add new course. So I'm entering the course name, course description. Add. Course added successfully. By clicking the course button, course will be displayed here. So section. By clicking the add section button, the admin will add the section to the particular course by choosing the course name, teacher, and CRM. And total students, room number, this is the class day, giving the Wednesday here, and class timings, 1 o'clock. Total fee for this course, 1,000. Add. Section added successfully. Here the section will be displayed here, like this. And admin can view the students' data also. So like this, the students' data will be displayed here. Log out. And I'm logging into the teacher page with the email address and password. Login. This is the teacher homepage. Here the teacher can view the resources, can view the sections and add resources to that particular section. So I'm adding the resources here by choosing the course name, choose section and resource title and PDF. So by selecting the PDFs, description. By clicking the add button, the resources will be added to the website. And add assignments. By clicking the sections button, you can also view the resources which are added by the teacher and add assignment here. Python. PDF. Write the program. Assignment marks 25. Add. Assignment added successfully. After adding the assignment, you can view the assignment here by clicking the view assignment button. And in this page only we have view submissions button. So we don't have any submissions because students will not there. And teacher can view the enrollments by clicking the view enrollments button. Here the teacher can give the feedback to that particular student. So I'm logging into the student page. First, student will register into the page with the name, phone number, email ID, password, ID. Registration successful. After registering to the website, the student will get logged into the website with the registered email address and password. This is the home page for student. Here the student can view the sections by clicking the view section button. After viewing the sections, they can enroll into that section. So enrolled successfully. They can view the enrollments here. If they want to cancel the enrollments, they will click on the drop enrollment button and then drop it from the enrollments. So here the students can view the resources which are added by the teacher, and these are the resources, and this is the assignment. By clicking the upload submission, so they'll upload the assignment to the teacher. Upload. Assignment upload. After uploading the assignment, the student assignment submitted successfully. By entering into the page, the student will log out from the page and teacher will get into the page. And password, login. So here this teacher can view the sections, and by clicking the view enrollments button, the enrollments will be displayed here, and we have two buttons here like view submission and grade student. So by clicking the view submission, the student can view the submissions of the students and give the marks here. So total works 25 minutes. I'm giving the 20 here. So submit. Corrected successfully. Like this, the teacher can give the marks, and again by clicking the grade student, choose grade. So grade and feedback. Good presentation. So like this, the teacher can give the feedback and attendance percentage. By clicking the upload button, the grades will be uploaded to the students. Grading complete successfully. So after assigning the grade cell, all student will check out the grades by entering into the website. So they can view the feedbacks in the feedbacks page. So here the course name, feedback by teacher and student name. This is the grade and mark attendance. So this, like this, the student can check their feedbacks. So after checking the feedback, they also give the feedback to the teachers and course. So students will give the feedback for the particular course. Send. Feedback sent successfully. So after sending the feedback, this teacher will get registered, log in into the website, and check the feedbacks which are done by the students. So this is the student name Shweta given by the feedback for Suma. So like this, they can check the feedbacks randomly by clicking the feedback button. So this is the students school management website. Hope you guys all understand. Thank you.